Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and I need to turn off the fan. Hang on a second. Oh, I've forgotten it was on. Yeah, as I was saying, this is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome back to the coin hunt. This is a new hunt. It has been designated World Coin Hunt 19. I'm starting off with a Slovenian coin. It's a 1SK from 1998. On the front here we have the you have St. Christopher in the as the portrait there. It's from 1998. It's a common mintage, so we don't have any mintage for it. And there you go, it is from Slovenia. And there's the first coin for this hunt. The second two coins are 500 liras. There's this one here, and there is this one here. One of them shows, they're both bimetallic. One is from 1978 and the other is from 1986. The 1978 one, which is this one here, it's 500 liras. It has around it, it has a hand with one FAO. And the FAO is for Food and Agricultural Organisation. It is from 1978, as I said, and there was 100 million of this 500 lira coin issued. It has a hand holding an apple. So I have a hand holding an apple there. FAO coin. Quite highly minted though. The second one is the one that we've come to know as the bimetallic. It has a square at Rome, which is a Pisa del Quirale Roma, and the Quira is Q-U-I-R-I-N-A-L-E. This one does have a slight difference compared to the other 500. Is across the top there is a set of dots. This is actually braille, and it was a coin so people who were blind could see what value their coin was. It's one of the first to have it on. I don't think it was the first, but it was amongst the first. Well, now go look. Here we go. The next one is 20 Tahar from Kazakhstan, and it's K-A-S-A-K-C-T-A-H, and it's 20 Tahar from 2002, and it's 20 Tahar or 20 Tenga. On this side it is I'm not sure what it's supposed to be there. I think it's supposed to be two phoenixes going up the side with an orb in the centre. And then on the back we have the valuation with a scroll underneath it. The next one, I'm not too sure what this is. I believe it's 25 PT, but I'm not 100% sure. It's an Islamic, there's Islamic writing on it. I'm not 100% sure what that Islamic writing is. And That's that. Next one is Namibia. It's a 5-cent coin from Namibia. There we go. This is a Namibia coat of arms. You also have the year of 2015. It's 5 cents. There is no mintage for this because it's a common coin. On the other side we have the aloe plant or tree, and that's ALOE, aloe plant. The next one is this one. It is Aruba. It's 5 cents from 2007. There's the coat of arms of the country on this side, and then on the other side we have just a value with a geometric pattern. The mintage of this coin is 1,152,000. Next one is a very common one through our coin hunts. It's from the Netherlands. It's Queen Juliana from 1972. On the obverse, it is the crown with 10 cents underneath it. It also has the year. The mintage for this coin in 1972 was 60 million. Next one has a coat of arms of Cuba on it with the year of 2016. It is a 10-cent coin. It is of high mintage and has no actual mintage attached to it. It is a 10-cent coin, as I said, and it shows the Castillo de la Flebeze, I think that is Flebeze, so that's F-L-E-B-Z-E. Next I have, I'm going to have to come out a little bit on this one, whoops, the other way. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 coins from Italy from 50 liras, which shows Zeus Hercules at the anvil. The dates are 1976 for 2 of them, 1955 and 1986. The 1976 coins have a mintage of 180,600,000. The one from 1955 has a mintage of 70,500,000. And the one from 1986 is 15 million. They're all the same coin, all the same size. This does come in a smaller size as well as that one. The next coin is a Philippines, and it's 1 peso from 2015. On the front there is Jose Rizal, and that's R-I-Z-A-L. There are no mintage for this particular coin because it's such a highly minted coin and such a common coin. On the back is the coat of arms. Very common coin that we find in these hunts, or I've had in these hunts. This one here is from Gustav the 16th. You have a crowned monogram here with the date of 1984. It is a 500 ore coin, sorry, a 50 ore coin. And it has the year, it has also the year on it. This particular year, the mintage was 27,446,585. Okay, next one is Romania, and here you have the country's coat of arms. It is a 10 bani coin from 2014. On the reverse you have the 10 bani. There is no, it's such a common coin that there is no mintage figures for it. Now this is an unusual one. This is 50 liras, but it's an Italian coin. Slightly different view. This is one of the later 50 lira coins. It no longer has Zeus on or Hercules at the anvil. This one just has grapevines around it, around the value. There is the mintage for this particular 1999 coin is 55 million. This one here is from Malaysia. This side shows a geometric pattern. On the other side is the hibiscus flower. And it's also got the country year, which is 2016. And we have no mintage figures for this year. Okay, there's just two more coins left on this particular hunt. This one's Queen Juliana from the Netherlands from 1970. Let me just take you in a little bit. Oh. There we go. Queen Juliana. It's from 1970. On the other side we have the crown over the value from 1970, and the mintage for this coin is 39 million. And finally we have a coin from Trinidad and Tobago. It's 25 cents, it's from the year 2000. It has the coat of arms of Trinidad and Tobago on that side that you're showing. Then on the reverse we have the value of 25 cents, and we also have a flower design. This is the wild poinsettia. This coin is of common mintage and has no actual mintage figure. Let me just go a bit further up. There we go. Right, the coins are all now back in the bag, and they'll stay in there until I put them into my albums and flip them, and also update Numista. If you have not done so already, if you believe I deserve it, could you give me the thumbs up for this video? I would greatly appreciate it if you were able to, and also if you could subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm trying to get up my subscription levels for this year and get more people subscribed to the channel. I can get myself put in front of new people who've never seen my work, seen my videos before, through an algorithm that YouTube uses, and plus that algorithm is you guys saying likes and also how many subscribers I've got. I would look forward to you seeing many more videos of mine should you subscribe. I have 4 videos a week that I produce on a regular basis, so therefore hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. To end, those of you who are having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I look forward to meeting up with you again shortly on this channel, hopefully not too far into the distant future. And from me, until then, bye bye. Ta-ra now. Bye bye.